Alright, so here's part 2 of my Anet A8 build. Welcome to It's My Workshop. As you can tell, maybe I'm a little tired. This is getting to be a little old. I've only been doing it for well, actually I've been doing it all day, but it's starting to wear on me. Especially when I come up to things like this, where these parts are not cut out. Oh, there, that one popped out. Sometimes they pop out easy, sometimes they don't. You can also hear it's raining, and I got something dripping beside me, so that sucks too. If you watched my live stream, you probably noticed it was pretty boring, and this video is not going to be that much more exciting. In fact, you may not even hear any of this because I might fast forward it because this is moving a lot slower than I thought it would. Okay, so this is also part of the y-axis, which I believe is the sled. I think I'm using the right term. I always get them confused. It's one of those things I'm really going to have to commit to learning. So which one's the X and which one's the Y. But pretty sure the Y-axis is the forward and back, like sled part that the heater bed is on. Tell you what, these little nuts and bolts are a pain. And this is not cut right. Let's see if maybe I can trim some of this out. Luckily, this has been the first piece that's kind of been like this. There we go. Still not quite. Let's loosen this up some. Hey. Alright. However, these things fell out. This is the worst idea ever, putting these stupid things in here. I cannot tell you how much I hate this idea. And I like clever things. This is not clever. Out. There we go. Hopefully they're still in there. maybe it's because I started a second video. I already hate the amount of dust that collects on this and how easily I mean, it looks nice, but it's dust. It's my fault building it in a dusty shop, but oh geez. Alright. Need a couple of these rods. I wonder which ones they are. Threaded rod 400 millimeter. It's gotta be it. Okay. M8 nut and M8 spacer. So, let's start in the middle and work our way out. So I need one that shoots way down, both sides. Okay. Maybe I don't have the right one. Okay. Those must be the up rods. And these must be the right rods. It's weird. Oh yeah, this is the part that bugged me, because it kind of makes a friction fit in a way. Okay. And then I need another one. washer. That one's good. Now I gotta do the same thing for this one. Actually, I should have just been popping that on there too. And this. Washer and washer. Okay, so what happens is this, clear up my space a little bit. This is now going to kind of hold the bottom parts together. So maybe if I give you a side view of this, you'll be able to see what's happening here. So there's a couple grooves here. Let's move my R2 guy back here some. Goes through this. This goes here. And I'm guessing the idea of this is to help keep it from racking. And it's probably cheaper than making more of this acrylic stuff come across, and the acrylic might warp more. But this is structural, so I need, where'd my RT parts go? I put one on the end here. And then we do the same thing on the other side. Surprised how quick that went together. Okay, and I think what I'm going to do is finger tighten all this, and then I'll come back through wrench. Give it another quick tighten down. Almost bent those rods. Don't want to do that. Okay, then this, because the belt will ride on this. So I'm guessing this goes through the bottom there. Yeah, it's got to be. Have that go proud just a little bit. And then maybe I'll go through and check it for square. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it perfect, but I can get it okay. Okay, I think they gave me this little wrench. And I'm too lazy to go over and get mine, so. Tighten that up. Don't want to over tighten it because I don't want to break this acrylic. Can I get things so tight? Feels pretty good. Now, this will not be perfect. Yeah, that's skewed. That actually doesn't look too bad. So let's see, where'd that tape measure go? Man, they are dead even. Alright, well. Plastic could just be bent or warped a little bit. That could be the issue. But measurement wise, I mean, I guess it still could be skewed a little bit, but measurements are pretty good. Yeah, I guess it's not square. So it's somehow racked a little bit. And I'm not sure what could be causing that. but we're going to move on. We'll see what happens. Okay, I'm actually going to stop the video here because I want to replace these bearings and make a video on that. And I'm kind of doing this sequentially. This is kind of spur of the moment making these videos. So what I'm going to be doing in the next video, there are some of these bearings and they have the linear bearings in there. And I have the dry bearings. So I'm going to take those out and put in the new ones. So if you're interested in that, check out the next video.